Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. So let's take a look again at the euro currency on the daily time frame. In the beginning of the research, I would like to take the short of bit contracted picture of the daily time frame. In fact, it carries nothing new, just let us better understand where we are in the big picture. So now we see that after the breakout of the long-term downward parallel channel, this border, you can see that market has started to form an upward channel. And now this channel is dominating since market has passed through this resistance line. Now continue move inside of it. That's why we call, as you remember, we call this low as the tradable insignificant low, since that was in fact a retest of this broken line, and simultaneously by this touch market has confirmed this lower border of this new upward channel. But now take a look, market has reached a significant natural line, natural resistance that was in fact it's simultaneously support. Well, but now for us this line is the resistance around 133.50, 134 area, because you can see that it's really a long-term line. So you can see here it was the support again, broken down, resistance. Now it's again resistance. So depending on how price action will develop here, it could determine the overall further price action. If market will take out these highs around 135.50 area and continue move higher, then probably we could proceed with this A, B, C bottom pattern, ABCD pattern, it's weekly time frame pattern that leads us to the 138.30 area. For those of you who read our weekly analysis knows what that area is. But if market will fail there, it at minimum probably will return right back to the support line. That will be a bit thrilling moment for the bulls, because if market will break this down, this will be absolutely unwelcome moment for bullish development. That's why the current price action is significant. Now let's turn to the shorter term view on the daily time frame. Here in fact we see the same picture as on Friday. Trend holds bullish, market is calling right below the significant support area and forming some sort of the bullish pennant. Theoretically that is the bullish pattern, bullish continuation pattern. That's why the opposite breakout to the downside will be some sort of the surprise, some sort of the action that is not quite normal for pennants. Fortunately, on the coming week we have nice assistance from the pivot points, because that was the tight week, and hence the pivot points also stand tight. So weekly pivot points stand right in the middle of this pennant, and weekly pivot resistance one as weekly pivot support one coincide with the upper and lower border of this pennant. On daily time frame, in fact, I see nothing more. It's very difficult to extract some more information from the daily time frame. You can see that this recent ABCD pattern that we have discussed on Friday as well hasn't been accomplished yet. So market in fact has to show some upward action to complete this pattern. And that could happen with the pattern that now is developing on the 4-hour time frame. Let's take a look on it. You can see this nice butterfly that is forming. And you can see that the 127 extension of this butterfly stands slightly higher than the completion point of the ABCD. So combination of completion of ABCD pattern and butterfly pattern could trigger some retracement to the downside after the market will reach this area. So we should be ready for that. Maybe this will be just the 3/8 of this swing, maybe some other retracement, I don't know, but that will be the resistance, and market probably will respect this area. This will not mean that market will reverse to the downside. and will challenge the lower border of long-term parallel channel that we have discussed on the daily time frame. That could be just some normal, reasonable retracement as a respect to this ABCD before further upward continuation. But the second moment that is significant, recall that here on Friday we have discussed the potential double top pattern. That in fact hasn't been erased yet. And the problem is that the confirmation of the double top pattern is right here. It's 132.56 low. It's the same level that is invalidation point of the butterfly. So that's why for the beginning of the week, for the Monday trading session, this low will be absolutely significant. Because if market will move and break this level to the downside, this will confirm the double top, and that could lead to further downward continuation. If market will hold there above this low, then there are more chances that market will continue move to the upside, will complete the ABCD pattern, and will finish the butterfly. On the hourly time frame, we have more nuances that we have to take care of in the beginning of the next week, because current situation is a bit sophisticated. Take a look at that. Right now market stands at the 768 support, its deep support, fib support. From that low to that high, 768 support. This rate, this level ratio is very typical for the butterflies. Very often the second wing, the right wing of the butterfly, starts from precisely from this level. But take a look at this recent candle. You probably do not see it clear, but that is the stop grabber, bearish stop grabber with the MACD indicator that suggests the potential taking out of this low. If it will work, then this low this level should be taken out by the price action. The stop grabber does not mean that market will take out this low. It only suggests the renewing of that potential swing low right here. That's why in the beginning of the week we should care of that pattern, and particularly the hourly trend. If market will turn trend to the bullish side, confirm it, and erase this stop grabber, then probably if you have the bullish view on the market, you can try to enter on the long side of the market with the stops right below this low. If this stop grabber will work, then you have to monitor for two major moments. First of all, take care of the renewal of this low. When this will happen, keep an eye on that low and on the trend. If market will hold above this low and this low will survive, then wait for the moment when the trend will turn bullish on the hourly time frame, and after that you could try to take the long position with the stops again below this low. Other words, speaking shortly, until market holds above this low, you could try to enter the long side of the market when the trend on the hourly time frame will turn bullish by the MACD. Despite the fact whether this stop grabber work or not, the major thing that you should control is looking for this low. This low should survive, and enter on the long side of the market only when the hourly time frame will turn on the bullish side. That is the context for trading on the long side of the market. If market will break through this swing low around 130 to the 56 area, do not enter on the long side of the market. Wait for the further development, because this could be really the double top with the minimum target. As you can see, measure the distance between the top counted to the downside. It's 131.20 area. If this will happen, then probably we will try to get another context, try to find the possibility to enter on the short side of the market, because in this case the pennant on the daily time frame will be broken to the downside as well, and that will be absolutely not in agreement with bullish sentiment, with the bullish price. That will be absolutely break out in the other way. So maybe it's a bit sound sophisticated, but this is really important things that we should control on Monday trading session. It carries a lot of nuances, but that is the foundation of success. So you have to pay attention to nuances if you would like to take the right position in the right moment. So good luck to you, well, and let's see how it will turn.